How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the Wyze Cam V3. This is the newest camera from Wyze. It's the latest generation, third generation obviously, and it's got some information just listed on the side. It works with Alexa, IFTT, Google Assistant, all the good stuff right there. Some of the different things that are included with this camera: full 1080p HD, two-way audio, 24/7 recording, all different types of motion sensing and all of that. And it's indoor, outdoor, so it is water resistant as well. So very, very cool camera. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna show you all the different stuff that's included. It does have some new stuff that the previous cameras did not have. So the mounting capabilities are a lot better on this one right here. So we've got the quick start guide, so you can use this to set up your camera and all that. But honestly, the setup on this camera, I've set up a few of these before, literally takes like 30 seconds to set up. It's so easy. So this is not going to be a setup video. It's very straightforward for that. But we're going to go ahead and just open it up and see all of the stuff that's included. I'm actually just going to take everything out. There we go. Box is empty. That's nothing else left in here. So we'll go ahead. We've got the cable itself, which is a very long cable. I'm actually going to undo this one and I'm going to roll it out and just estimate what I think it actually is here. I'm doing it behind me. It's about 6 feet long. So I'm going to say it's about a 6 foot long cable right here. The cable itself is micro USB. So it's USB-A to micro USB. So it's not USB-C, the newest style, but that's okay. Still very, very good. Still works just fine. And we'll open up some of the other stuff that's included in here. So we've got a silica gel, which we don't really need. We'll throw that away. We've got the AC adapter, which is where your USB cable is going to plug right into, just like that. And then that's going to plug into the wall. And I believe this is a 5 watt, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember the exact wattage. But nonetheless, it's perfectly made for your camera, so no needs to worries there. We do have the magnet for the camera and the 3M sticker. So you can take this sticker, stick that right onto the magnet, stick that magnet right onto the wall, and then your camera has a magnet on it and you can magnetically connect that onto the wall. So very, very easy for mounting. We also do have the screws right here, as well as the wall studs for your drywall studs. So we have those, so you can use these to mount your camera as well. So let's go ahead and get to the camera itself. And you guys can get a nice close-up look at that. So it comes nicely wrapped right here. We're just gonna rip this wrapping right off right here, and there we go. So camera itself, we do have a little sticky part right here. Make sure you remove that because you can see it goes right over the lens. So if you don't remove that, it's going to make your camera look a bit blurry. So make sure you remove that. So there we go. We have the camera itself, and just for a size comparison right here, I have a little Hot Wheels car, little 1 in 64 Hot Wheels car, so you can kind of see the difference in size. So you can see it's very, very small of a camera. Just about the size of a Hot Wheels car. There we go. So that's a little size comparison for you. The camera itself does expand just up like that, and it does rotate. So the head will rotate just like that, which is really, really cool. And it goes down, and you can rotate it even on its base right there. So you can position it down and on its base or whatever you want to. And then the magnet part, like I was saying, here's your magnet. So once you stick that magnet to the wall, that will just stick right to the back of the camera. And it's quite strong. So your camera is going to be just fine. It's not going to fall down. Obviously, it's made for your camera. So that's all good. And your back cable right here, if we take this cable off right here, and you can see that's about 6 inches or so. So extends that 6 foot cable. And then that's where your cable is going to plug right into. So it's the micro USB. So it's got that plug that will plug right into there. And then this is obviously got some protectant around it so that it seals it off from water. So that makes it a little bit more water resistant when you position your camera outside. We do have a speaker on the camera itself right there on the back. And then on the bottom of the camera, if we open this up and we flip the camera kind of over just like that. So we have this little slot right here, which is your micro SD card. So you can fit a micro SD card in there. I'd highly recommend getting a micro SD card. I'll link one in the description down below, the one that I use for my cameras. And then we do have this little button right here, which says setup. So you just press that when your camera's plugged in, and that will help you pair your camera to the application. And like I said, it's super easy. It takes about 30 seconds to pair the camera. So quick recap here. We got the camera with that cable that's stuck onto the camera itself, this particular cable, the 6-inch one. We've got the extended 6-foot micro USB cable. We got the AC adapter. We do have the 3M sticker, which will stick onto your magnet, which is the magnet right there. And we do have the screws themselves. So that's everything that's included, obviously with your quick start guide as well for your Wyze Cam V3. If this video was helpful, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. I will link this camera in the description below if you want to pick one up yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.